Okay, so we will practice here using the standard Z table. So we have 5 problems for number 1 to 5. So for number 1, we need to find the Z at 75%. So that means we need to find the Z score at which probability is 75, or in this case, if you're going to convert that into decimal place, then that will be 0.75. Okay, so having that in mind, let us find our Z table here in our manual. Okay, so our Z table, our probability is 0.75. So let us see 0.75 here. 0.75. 0.75. Okay, we have 2. We have 0.748 and 0.751. So you could use 0.67 or 0.68, or you can do interpolation. So in this case, if we are going to find the X score, just like in our example in number 3, in activity number 3, problem number 3, so you could use either of the two, it's 0.67 or 0.68 in order to find the X score. So that's it. Getting the Z at 0.75, we could have 0.67 or 0.68, or interpolating this two, you get a value of somewhere between 0.67 and 0.68. So it could be 0.675 or 0.674, 0.676. So for number 2, what is our number 2? We find the Z at 0.9. So we again find 0.9. So this means 90% probability. So we again find 0.9 here. So we have 0.89 and then 0.90, and that's 1.2. 1.28 or 1.29. So you could use also either of the two, 1.28 or 1.29, or interpolate that one. And then the next one is Z at 0.37. So Z at 0.37, so where is 0.37? Okay, here 0.37. So we have 0.370 or 0.366. So I guess 0.370 is much nearer. So we use negative 0.3. This is 3. So we use negative 0.33. So the Z at probability of 0.37 or 37% is actually equal to negative 0.33. Okay. Next is we get the probability at Z is equals to 2.4. So this is much simpler. So we just browse the Z table, 2.4. So we have 2.4, and the probability is 0.9918 or 99%. And the next one is, probability greater than Z. So take note that we should get the probability of the score which is greater than Z 1.6. So we all have been reminded that our Z score is representing the area to the left of the curve. So it's greater than, then this area is the one being looked into. So we need to find this area. So in order to find this area, then we get the probability 1 minus this area. So having the probability greater than z 1.6, so let us first search for the z at 1.6, and that's 1.6, 1.6. So we have 0.94520. So 0.94520 is the area here. And you need to find the area dito sa right. So we just deduct 1 minus 0.94. So we deduct 1 minus 0.94. So I will not be able to show you the answer here. Okay, so maybe here. Okay, let's see. So, okay, next page. So z, probability greater than z is equal to, once again, our given 1.6, 1.6 is equal to 1 minus, the probability at 1.6 is 1.6, 0.94520, 0.94520. So we have 1 minus 0.94520 is 0.0548. So this is now our answer. So 0.0548, or if we're going to get that one into percentage form, that's 5.48%. So that's it for our practice on finding the z-scores and the probability of the z values using our standard z table.